Hello everyone! Welcome to the Little Miniature channel. Today I am going to draw and color beautiful flowers step by step. Let's start drawing. First, I draw a round circle. I am drawing the whole flower like this. So friends, watch this video. Half of the flowers are painted and there's half left. So kids, don't go anywhere. Once the flower is finished, I will draw the bottom part. I am drawing flower petals. Now we will draw two beautiful leaves. Great! Now I am going to this black marker to make this beautiful drawing more visible. Let's start coloring. First, I am coloring in light blue color. I am giving 4 flowers the same color. This time, I will give pink color to exactly 4 flowers. I am giving 4 flowers the same color. The next color is yellow, which looks very nice. Now I will give light green color to 2 leaves, like this. Wow! Awesome! Amazing! If you like this video, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. See you next video!